What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Ike Ude, back at it with another episode of Purified Hustle. And on this episode, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to go to Chipotle and still grab something healthy and quick. So you guys are gonna come along with me. I'm gonna show you guys my Chipotle order. It's gonna be a veggie burrito, and I'm gonna add in a little guac, nice things like that. Very cheap, very affordable, and let's get it. I've got Kyle here with me. He's probably about to order a cow sandwich.
Love like a clutch, leather Louis clutch, just to hold all her stuff. She rock all her shoes and they don't collect dust. Time for cologne for the must is a must. She wonder what I gross, but it's not to discuss. Losers run they mouth, they gon' cuss, they gon' fuss. You the first to talk, what your pockets running up. Throw it in the trunk if you want.
Veggie burrito, please. There, a burrito. Brown rice. I'll take both black and pinto beans, please.
Did you want vegetables?
Yes. Steamed vegetables. Can I get some tomatoes, please? Some of that, yeah. What's that called?
Green tomato salsa.
Green tomato salsa. A little bit of guac. Can I get a little more, please? And some lettuce. 3. Yeah, 7-3. Yes, sir. Yeah, and some iceberg lettuce. Yes, sir. Yeah, that'll be all.
She having me for brunch in the ocean front.
I got some chips for my friends, so it might be a little more than I had expected, but I'm gonna give you guys the pricing on just the veggie burrito. Just the burrito itself was $7.50. And there you have it, guys. That is how you eat healthy at Chipotle for under $10. Purified Hustle out with another one. Peace.